Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, I would like to apologize all my viewers because I wasn't able to upload a video on this Saturday due to some technical errors. A very big apology by my side. Today's video was all about a quick glow up treatment for your skin. So I had an event to attend and my skin was very much dull and dry. So this one is perfect for anyone who has dry and dull skin. So here, honey gives you a very natural glow onto your face. Lemon cures your acne, pigmentation, spots. These things are also, scientifically proved that it's an anti-aging as well. So I hope you guys like the video. So if you felt a little beneficial by this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So before I end this video, I'll link my Instagram handle down below. So if you have any queries, please feel free to inbox me. I'll always be there for you guys to answer. So yeah, until next time, stay tuned, take care. Bye bye guys.